Take a quick look at an AR-7 here. There's lots of reviews of these out there. Thought this one was kind of interesting with an old camouflage pattern on it. I'm not a big expert on these, but I know they were made by many manufacturers over the years. This is one of them. I believe the current one is Henry though. So this one's a little bit older, none of the orange stuff inside. The nice thing about AR-7 is it's got the stock here, obviously. The receiver, the magazine, and the barrel all live inside the stock for either backpacking or storing in a small place. There's the receiver and the magazine. You can store the magazine loaded or unloaded. There's enough empty space in the stock still, and some foam in there, I guess. It's very lightweight, it weighs nothing, but it can float as well. The way it assembles then is the receiver kind of slides down into this channel, and there's a screw here that never falls out. It's just always there, and that screws into a area, that threaded hole in the receiver. Goes together pretty quick, just a few turns, and it's tight. The barrel, this is the original barrel, which is aluminum with a steel insert, but you can see it's getting really gouged up. It's got an index point here where it'll lock into the receiver. You just hold it snug and then screw the nut on. The nut can't fall off the barrel either way, front or back, so it just stays in place. Now the charging handle kind of extends out from the side of the receiver. You would load the magazine. It would insert like that, charge it, and it's a semi-auto, so you'd have 10 rounds of .22 long rifle. It does have a safety in the back, and that's about it. There's sort of a peep sight in the back and just a blade up front. It's fairly accurate. Now, as you see, this particular one has a pretty chewed up barrel. From a lot of use. This barrel was purchased at a gun show for $20, and it's in great shape. Looking down the barrel, it looks fine. Just a little dirty, but interchangeable parts. Fits right in, indexes, and just screw the nut on. This will just give it a two-tone look since this is off one of the black rifles. This is an all steel barrel, no insert, a lot heavier. Let's take a quick look at the weights. The stock alone weighs just about 1 pound. Weighs just over an ounce. The receiver is made out of aluminum, and it comes in at 14.5 ounces. The aluminum barrel with the steel insert weighs in at 7.8 ounces, where the steel barrel, that's just solid metal, weighs in at 12.5 ounces. So the whole rifle with a steel barrel comes in at 2 pounds 13 ounces, and the whole rifle with the aluminum barrel comes in at 2 pounds 8.7 ounces. It all fits back in the stock. And you've got a rifle under 3 pounds. Thanks for watching.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.